According to the local legend, sometime in the middle of the 18th century, when Spaniards explorers first arrived, they saw a local dragging their boats through the muddy shoreline. When the Spaniards asked for the name of the place, the local, thinking they were asking about what they were doing, replied Baroto sa Ludak. Baroto means native boat. Viejo is Spanish for old, used to distinguish it from the neighboring town Barotac Nuevo, the new Barotac. The settlement was originally founded in 1754 by families from Cebu who were fleeing from Moro attacks. It initially formed near the estuaries of Baywan and Barotac. Everard C. Vicente is a renowned composer who grew up in the town and composed its first municipal hymn. Leoncio P. de Raida is a highly respected writer and professor born in Barotac Viejo. He was a Palanca Hall of Fame inductee and a major proponent of local languages like Ligaynon and Karaya. Barotac Viejo is recognized as the gateway to the north in Iloilo, serving as a key transit point for central and northern Iloilo destination. A first-class municipality, previously classified as third, fourth, located in the northern Iloilo, 57 kilometers from Iloilo City, facing the Strait of Guimaras and the island of Negros. The municipality has a land area of 185.78 square kilometers or 71.73 square miles, which constitute with 3.72% of Iloilo total area. Barotac Viejo has a landscape dominated by hills and mountains, covering about 3/4 of its land area. The highest point is Mount Agumid in the northern boundary, with San Rafael reaching around 550 meters in elevation. A long mountain range splits the town into two distinct regions. The upper region, situated roughly 100 feet above the sea level, has a cooler climate and receives more rainfall. In contrast, the lower region lies closer to the sea, is more densely populated. The flora includes rice, coconut, banana, and sugarcane in the lowlands, as well as mangroves along the coast. In the upper lands, common plants like nara, mahogany, acacia, bamboo, rattan, mango, and jackfruit. And fauna consists of birds such as maya, kingfishers, and doves. Mammals like bats, meru, and rodent reptiles and amphibians including lizard, geckos, snake, and frog. And aquatic life such as fish, crab, and shellfish. The population of Barotac Viejo, Iloilo is officially recorded at 49,736 based on the 2024 census of population conducted by the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. The economic is primarily agricultural, coastal, driven by rice cultivation, fishing, and livestock. The economy of Barotac Viejo is primarily driven by its fertile agricultural lands and coastal resources, functioning as a first-class municipality that thrives on its rice and sugarcane cultivation and commercial fishing. In Barotac Viejo, we celebrate Patubas Festival held every December 12 to 27. It celebrates the town Patubas or harvest and agricultural abundance. We also celebrate Taltal, a famous Latin tradition, Good Friday, dramatizing the Passion of Christ, which has been observed for over 50 years. We also have a famous tourist attraction which is Nagpana Falls, a 60-foot three-tiered waterfall located in Barangay Lipata, Barotac, Veo, Iloilo, inside the ancestral domain of the local Ate community. We Barotacnon speak Hiligaynon with some variation in the mountain areas. Hiligaynon is a primary language used in commerce and regional communication. The local dialect is often used in the daily conversation.